So hello everyone. Today we have an internship from Zeotap and it is a data science internship and the job location is Bengaluru. Now let's scroll down and look into the responsibilities and the requirements of this role. In this responsibility they are telling that you will be using the machine learning, NLP, data mining and statistical techniques to develop an innovative scalable solution for the business problems, and you will build a scalable data pipelines for machine learning. You will conduct the statistical analysis on a large data, and you need to research and implement the cutting edge machine learning and statistical approaches, and you need to adhere to these companies guidelines. Also you need to complete all the awareness training assigned on time. I have given a lot of skills and keywords here. You will have to note it down, such as machine learning, NLP, data mining, statistical techniques, and then scalable data pipelines, machine learning, and then another keyword that is research. And if your resume does not have any of these keywords, and if the ATS checker finds it out, you will not be getting shortlisted for this role. So you'll have to add these keywords if you know and if you're proficient in it. And also now let's look into the requirements of this role, where you should have a degree of BE or MTech in computer science background. Only BE and MTech can apply for this role. You should be available for 6 months of internship that will start from February 2025 to July 2025, and you should have at least taken a full term course in NLP or ML. You should have done any course in NLP or ML, and you should have a strong problem solving ability and expertise in Python programming skill. So you can actually find few of the keywords here too, such as Python, NLP or ML, such things. And if you have done a course or certification or anything in NLP or machine learning, just add it in your resume, because they are actually asking for those things. That's all about this role. You can actually find the apply button here, and you just can click on that, and you will be redirected to this site, and you will just need to add all the relevant information and then proceed with this application and submit it. And if you have any other doubt, please let us know in the comment section. We will try to help you out as soon as possible. And also let us know your feedback in the comment section, so we will know what are the things we will have to change and what are the things we will have to implement. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.